In the next 5 years, millions of jobs will vanish, not because of a recession, but because of a revolution. Automation, algorithms, artificial intelligence. It's not science fiction, it's your new coworker, and maybe your replacement. But here's the secret. AI isn't coming for you, it's coming for tasks. And the only people who will thrive in this new world are those who think beyond job titles. This video isn't about avoiding AI. It's about becoming AI-proof. And stick around, because near the end, I'll show you the #1 underrated skill that even top CEOs say will be the most important in the next decade. The threat. Why the rules just changed. Let's start with some cold truth. AI can now pass law exams, diagnose diseases, and write music that gets millions of streams. And no, it's not just factory jobs. White-collar roles, accounting, data analysis, even basic programming are being automated. But here's what AI can't do. It doesn't dream. It doesn't doubt. It doesn't care. Ask ChatGPT how it feels about losing its job, and it'll give you a poem, not a panic attack. So the future doesn't belong to the fastest typists or best memorizers. It belongs to the humans who can do what machines can't. The shift, the AI-proof skills you need. There are 5 core skills that will keep you not only employed, but unstoppable in the age of AI. #1, creativity. Only humans can imagine the unknown. Whether you're designing products, writing copy, or starting a brand, creativity will be your currency. Write 10 ideas a day, even bad ones. And by the way, the most creative people, they're not artists. They're problem solvers. And that leads us to the next one. #2, critical thinking. In an era of deep fakes, AI-generated news, and algorithmic manipulation, thinking clearly is the new superpower. If you saw a viral headline that said, AI can predict your breakup, would you believe it? Or ask how it knows that? But thinking clearly is just one part. What about feeling clearly? #3, emotional intelligence. AI can simulate empathy, but only humans can feel it. Your ability to read a room, manage emotions, and lead with empathy, that's something no machine will replicate. Journal 5 emotional reactions daily and what triggered them. 90% of high performers in the workplace, high in EQ. It's not optional, it's essential. Still think emotional skills are soft? Let's talk about the hardest one yet. #4, complex problem solving. AI can follow steps. You can rewrite the manual. The future needs minds that don't just solve problems, but reframe them. Learn systems thinking. Map out your decisions and outcomes. Remember, chess masters lose to AI, but the best chess players in the world? Humans who use AI. So what's the final and most overlooked skill for the future of work? It's not what you think. #5, adaptability. AI is evolving every month. The only constant now is change. The most future-proof skill is being coachable, curious, unattached to old ways of doing things. Do a weekly discomfort challenge. Try something that intimidates you. The people who win aren't the most skilled. They're the most adaptable. Darwin wasn't talking about job markets, but he might as well have been. The mindset, your edge in the AI era. The AI-proof mindset isn't about resisting the future. It's about rising with it. You're not in competition with AI. You're in competition with the version of you that refuses to evolve. So don't just learn to survive the future of work, be the kind of person who shapes it. Now that you know what skills make you AI-proof, watch this next. How to fix your sleep and wake up energized. It's on your screen right now. Like this video if you're ready to embrace the future. Comment below, which skill are you working on next? Subscribe for more content to upgrade your mind, your work, and your life.